Hey, it's Garrett, and I'm here with Janet, and I'm being careful. And we're getting off the ship today in Lihue, Kauai, and we are just gonna walk over to the beach in front of the Royal Sonesta and have a beach day. So you'll walk through this building. Oh. And so where we're headed is right there where you see those houses. There's a hotel tucked under those trees, right? See it? We walked through the terminal building. There's nothing really going on in there. There's a sign, beach, shopping, hotels, rental car shuttle. We were gonna do a rental car here today, but we canceled it. Decided just to go to the beach. By the way, we are on the Grand Princess. I probably didn't say that before.
It's a 16-day cruise.
Of course, there's the ship, the Grand Princess. This is where you come back in, same place you go out. Got to cross the street here. And you can see the mileage, or kilometers, to the airport and to town. Basically the same, 2 miles. So downtown Lihue is 2 miles up the road. And this is Nawiliwili Park. And we're actually in Nawiliwili Harbor. Anchor Cove, shops and restaurants. The Naughty Rooster Irish Pub. So if you need some Hawaiian shirts or souvenirs, that's the place right there. Chalet 2 for $2. Rubber chickens. ATM. Another gift shop. We're cutting through right now the shopping center. There's more on the outside, more on the inside. I think though we can get to the beach via right here. See? Although I guess there's a chasm in between. So you can go right across here. Notice people taking their shoes off. Or you can take the bridge up there. See people walking on the bridge? You take the bridge across the swamp, more or less. Hawaiian styles. Dukes. Royal Sonesta. So it was half a mile to this point right here from the ship. Half a mile. Cafe Portofino. Dukes. So there's Dukes. Of course it's not Sunday, but maybe we'll get in there anyway. Dukes on Tuesday, I think it is. Although I'm not sure. It's a little breezy, you probably tell that in the audio. And cloudy. But cloudy is good. Shady. Now, we know from experience that you shouldn't try to lay your towels out on this grass under these trees. See this right here? The lounge chairs, the swimming pool area for use by registered guests only. so you shouldn't use them. The beach is public, but where the grass is private. It's hotel property. Heading across the grass out to the sand. And I guess it's not a beach day today because there's almost nobody out here. It's a nice sandy beach though. I mean, there's this rock, these rocks, and there's coral out there if I remember correctly. We've been here once before. But it is nice and sandy also. And of course there's the ship over there, right? Oh, that guy's got a hydrofoil board or whatever they call them. Motorized. Well, we've walked almost all the way across the beach. And there's somebody fishing over here. And these people have chairs. Guess they must be from the hotel. Let's go down to the water. Let's go in the water. It's a nice beach. It's just in it. I think the water's about 75. So it may feel cool to you at first. Maybe feel cold. And there's a bogus shore break. So you got to avoid that. And there are some rocks. Run towards the wave. There you go. Of course, this is a waterproof camera, so. And of course, there's the ship. Look how beautiful that is, though. I mean, when I think Hawaii, it looks like Tahiti or Moorea, Polynesia. And then you have a giant hotel. And Janet on the beach. But for now, our day in Kauai is finished. Janet wanted you to see the rental place because they got boards, they got boogie boards. Oh, hey, they got a price list. Okay. Snorkel. Thank you. So from Kauai, Nawiliwili, Kauai.
I'm Janet.
And I'm Garrett.
And we'll see you in the next port. Bye.
Bye. So we came into Duke's and Janet wants a Mai Tai, and it happens to be Wednesday, and every Wednesday you can get a burger and a beer for $28. We ordered just one hamburger cut in half, and she brought them on separate plates. And of course Janet got a Mai Tai, I got a longboard ale. And this is like the best burger ever. It's just like the song, Duke's on Wednesday. Duke's on Wednesday. We decided to have a hula pie, and I forgot to record it when it was in all its glory. I'll put a photo right here.